Hello everyone, I hope all of you are safe and you don't go out, stay inside the house. Tonight I will be preparing chicken noodle soup. Not chicken noodle soup, and chicken noodles. And these are the ingredients. This is your chef, you. And tonight we have chicken, which is leftover from the night, and the noodles. So we will have chicken noodles tonight. So these are my ingredients. Dill, parsley, and a little bit of green salad. Onion, garlic, lemon later, pepper, and bell pepper. And the most important thing, soy sauce, and the other one, noodles. So this is my ingredients. Okay? I will prepare and later we'll see how it's gonna go, how it's gonna taste. So this one's garlic, three pieces of garlic now. And the onions. Okay. Okay, that's the onion. And then, let's see it. This later. Okay. For salad. Normally I like to have so much meat with this, because for me, if Pansit has lots of salad, it's nice. And the chicken, I will add later. So now I will turn on. Now I will put the oil. And normally you can use any kinds of oil, but I love to use olive. Olive oil for me is the best oil I use for cooking. And once onion is completely cooked, when onion is completely cooked, I will put the garlic. I like the smell of the onion when it's cooking, not when it's fresh. So, we need a little bit more time for the onion. Wait, still it's not. I want more cook. Okay, while waiting for some time, I will prepare another one. So now we have inside the onion and the garlic. So I will put a little bit of parsley because I want to have some of them later. Not cooked. Okay. And now I will put this, the leftover chicken. So from this, we'll have more taste. Okay. So this will be the flavor. And the flavor is chicken. Chicken. Oops. Okay. We'll wait a little bit more time. And after, soy sauce. Uh-oh. Just little soy sauce to have some taste. And close it and let it simmer. So now we will put the noodles. But first, let's see how is it. So good. I can smell. Smell already tastes so good. This one, and 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 this one. We'll wait for a little bit time. So now will be the final ingredients. So the green salad, this parsley and dill, and I will add ground chili because we love hot chili. So let's see. How is it now? Okay. After our green salad, dill, and parsley, put everything inside, inside. We don't need to overcook the vegetable, the green salad. So just cover, and it's ready. So mix a little bit. Mix. So our stir fry noodles with chicken is ready. Ready to serve. It smells so good. I feel very hungry now. Mm. 3. Oh, I am so hungry. I don't do anything, but I feel so hungry. Staying here inside makes you more hungry. Perfect.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you subscribe my channel, push that button, subscribe, and tune out for the next more videos. Thank you very much.